Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'll show you how to delete cover photo on Facebook Lite. At first, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Now we are on the welcome page. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Now tap on your profile picture at the top of the page. Here we are on our profile. Now tap on your current cover photo. Then tap on See Cover Photo. Here you can see your current cover photo. Tap on the three vertical lines at the top right corner and tap on Delete. Again, tap on Yes. Now you can see your cover photo has been removed from your profile, which means that your cover photo has been deleted. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, hit share and subscribe to the channel.